landed in Daytona Beach, Florida, intercepting Hurricane Milton tomorrow into tonight, or to tomorrow night, I'm sorry. A little tired, managed to get a little bit of a nap in, but going to pick up the truck, get all the supplies ready, and gear up for Intercept. Alright guys, we are in Dade City, Florida, just north of Tampa. We are getting ready to get in our target zone, getting back onto I-75 headed southbound. Right now our target area is about Sarasota area, so you know, Sarasota, we can adjust from there, north or south if need be. So we'll see how wrong I am come tomorrow. Alright, time is noon right now here in Venice, Florida. We are just ahead of Hurricane Milton. We got some strong bands working ashore. Tornado outbreak ongoing due east of us. Some tornado warnings popping up along the coastline. This heavy band is passing through. We'll probably move in the next couple hours or so, but we're in a really good spot here. So wait to see. Milton is a very strong major hurricane closing in on this location. So check back in a minute. Time is 3:15 p.m. here in Sarasota. We're right here at the hospital, right by downtown Sarasota. Bay is about a mile to our west here. We're getting some pretty strong gusts coming in. For now, we're gonna stay put. We're gonna see if this southern edge starts to really build in and we get a tighter core. But Milton's definitely struggling a little bit, so we're gonna keep an eye on that. We may adjust north by about 10 miles or so if we have to. Within the next hour will be our time frame for that before it gets too dangerous. We're getting some pretty strong gusts up here. We got a nice band about to move through, so we'll see how it goes. Chasing Hurricane Milton, going north. Treacherous driving conditions. We got about a 30 minute drive till we get to our spot, hoping that is our final spot. And this is the last tick north that we have to make because this thing is coming and it is coming fast. So a bit of last minute adjusting. I don't think we're gonna have to move from this next spot, but nonetheless, chasing Milton, pretty unpredictable storm. We just wanna make sure that we get the core. So that's the update for now. We'll see you guys when we get there. Hey guys, Bradenton, Florida right now. Yeah, we're gonna get rocked here. We're already getting beat up pretty good. Yeah. entering the eye of Hurricane Milton right now. Oh yeah, some big dry bursts coming through. Maybe they're mesovortices, I can't confirm. But we're definitely drying out, a lot less rain. The gusts are getting further and further apart, so we are indeed entering the eye here in Bradenton, Florida. Wow, here comes a big gust. Listen to that. It sounds like a jet engine on that tower there behind me. Oh yeah, there it goes. Wow. It looked like we were going to get the eye. I think it was just a really dry portion. Not sure what happened there. I'll have to take a look again at a later time, of course. We're just ripping off this hotel behind me. We're still having power flashes. No loss of power completely yet. Really big burst right now. I believe that we will be entering the back eye wall here very shortly, and those winds are atrocious. So we're going to hold on tight. I think we hit this one spot on. Just barely scraping the eye, but we're gonna eat this back eye wall, and it is extremely intense. That's it, guys. Charging up the phone for a minute, preparing for this absolutely insane winds that are about to rip through here. Winds are starting to get that real ferocious, just crank with the pressure drop. I think what we've been having are just really bad bursts in the eye wall, or right on the edge of the eye and the eye wall. But I think we're finally starting to get in that back eye wall now. And either way, whenever it hits us, it's going to last a long time, and it's going to be pretty intense. Probably a lot more intense than this front eye wall. So I think it's starting to move in now. Whoa! It's here! It's here! Stay down. All right, you're good. Wow. Incredible winds. Parking garage bouncing up and down. We've been here before, guys. Look at this. Gosh. Hurricane Milton back eyewall, full range, 100 plus, unbelievable. What? Dude, no. Unbelievable. Whoa, what was that? You heard that? Guys, Milton was an absolute beatdown. I had a gut feeling that that eye wall was going to just absolutely hammer us. We're going to try to make it back to Evan's place for the night. Try, keyword there. So I don't think we're going to burn enough gas to make a big difference. So real rough, absolute beatdown. All sorts of stuff in the road. Signs are bent, twisted, trees are down. It's just loose debris.